Hello everyone. So we are now through with our solar installation, the 10 kVA system that we are doing here at Diani ama Ukuta, depending on the way you want to call it, but Ukudani. So we are doing a 10 kVA installation here. It's a Victron system. The inverter is a Quattro 10 kVA system with these two MPPTs at 20 kilowatt hour lithium batteries, and we also have 20 pieces of solar panels. As you can see, that's what we have been doing. As usual, everything is well protected from the solar side. The charge controllers can give you a roof. The battery, the PV, the surge protectors of the solar side. The inverter is here with AC controls on this side. As you can see, AC is here, DC is here, battery breaker, the battery itself, the Sabo GX, the heart of the system, is here, and everything is working correctly. The other thing is Wi-Fi, so that we can access the system online and see the update.